Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate very much. Thank you very much for watching. So we've recently bought the Fahr KM20. One of the first ones, 2 drums in, 4'6" cut. But I had a problem. Without the drum here, it had sort of lost drive, and bloke said it was all vibrating. Well, it was wiggling about when we got it in, but they said it was vibrating this and this really. So we took it apart then. See, shear bolt. And another 3 were in here as well. And the one there, you see, this one sheared one there, and I sheared another one. This was still on and still driving, but I'd sheared a couple anyway. So that's what was wrong really. So there are bolts that goes through there, and the actual holders as well. So that's what has caused that, I think, is we have all the holders in. There's one still there, but this one now, and the one that sheared all its bolts, is broken front off. So that would actually cause it to go out of balance and give it some vibrations. So those vibrations then would be the cause of shearing the bolts, because there are only 4 M10 bolts holding on. And vibration went from one side to the other, cause the ones to loosen a bit and shear a couple. So that's what we're hoping anyway. Looks like a simple sort of fix and problem. I was looking on eBay. There's a company had 4 new old stock holders. Bit of surface rust on them. But flip them over. Some better ones, but brand new in it. So I got 4 holes now to put them over again. See the 2 holes there, so we sort of just 2 of them per side, and it bolt through the rest of it, that tub then. Those are upside down at the moment. We took the top cover and the skirts all there. The guard's nice and tidy as well. Well, there are only 4 little M10 bolts anyway. I looked at them, they were just 8.8 the original ones, so we bought ordered some new 8.8, but not the hardest things in the anyway. Just putting back together now. I've put the blades on now while I'm putting them on, save having to get a tool again. So this hub now with just 3 wheels. When you have this bracket or hub as well, goes bolts on top of it, then you have a bottom disc that goes on this. That's how a drum works, is you have shaft coming down with a hub on it, and this top bit and that the top hat is bolted to it, so it turns round. Then you have a hub with bearings on it, so shaft is turning in the middle, and the bearing here, well, this can stay stationary, or while you're turning, it can swivel about, but this can free turn the bottom. The top is solid then. So that's how a drum works really.